Did you know Alexander the Great's mother slept with poisonous snakes in her bed every night? Olympias of Epirus was Macedonia's most terrifying queen, and her bedroom was filled with sacred serpents she believed were gods in disguise. She led wild religious cults where followers drank wine, danced in frenzy, and handled deadly snakes with their bare hands. But Olympias took it further. She kept live serpents coiled around her body, convinced they would make her pregnant with divine children. When King Philip II discovered his wife's snake rituals, he was horrified. Their violent fights shook the palace walls. Olympias used her religious power to claim Alexander wasn't Philip's son at all, but the child of Zeus himself. She manipulated nobles through fear of her supernatural abilities, and orchestrated Philip's assassination in 336 BC. But her reign of terror ended when Macedonian women, terrified of her dark magic, stoned her to death in the streets. The snake queen who claimed to birth a god met her end at the hands of those who feared her most.